Hello friends, how are you doing today? Let's look at how we can use moving average for making consistent profits. And I've taken the most interesting commodity, which is crude oil, for the example. But I have a challenge for you. I want you to test this strategy even on stocks and let me know how the results are for you. Okay? Without further ado, let's move on, understand how we can use moving average for making consistent profits. Okay, so the simple settings, I will go to a live domain a while from now, but just for you to note down, take a pen and a paper and write down. You just need candlestick chart pattern, and you need to chart exponential moving average, which is 5, and you need to have a super trend supporting it. So super trend is a new combination that I have introduced only for you guys as a new concept. I want you guys to test this out completely and let me know how the results were. So what's the entry setup? So entry is on the buy on the fresh candle that closes above 5 EMA line. I will chart the 5 EMA line. I'll show you the exit. We'll come to the exit part, but before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do that right away. If you are a repeat customer, just comment below saying done and you're ready to make profits. So write ready to make profits. That inspires me to share my knowledge, and that will give you the power to make more profits consistently. Okay, I hope you have written ready to make more profits. My dear friends, so this plays at a subconscious level because when you are ready and you write that down and other people also write that down, it makes like a chain, and that's how actually you will activate your subconscious mind. I've actually prepared a video on how to activate your subconscious mind using powerful passive income affirmations. If you have not watched that video yet, you can watch that. The link for that video will also come on the top of this video. Alright, so let me go into the live example and show you how this works. As usual, what I will do is I will keep a detailed backtesting for the next video. I know I have to make more of them, but I will do it in the next video. Alright, so you actually don't need ATR, so I will cross this off so that there is less confusion. And what I will do is I'll close these two and add them again so that you understand what I am doing. So this is basically a 30-minute crude oil chart, and I am adding the moving average. So make a good note of this. I am looking at moving average and going to exponential. So when I did a couple of videos in the past, a lot of people wanted to know the settings in detail. So I thought I'll give you a detailed understanding of how to even put these settings into your Zerodha charting. Okay, all right, so the next stuff is how do you look at the entry setups. Okay, so for conservative traders, you should use this super trend, and for people who are aggressive, you have any other support trend, or you want to use like long-term this thing, so please feel free to use them. But I want to show you something very interesting. Okay, so I'll now come to one of the chart pattern here, and that is okay. All right, so let me go to some good setup, some very good setup, so that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so here is what it is. So I'm talking about the fresh candle making a close above 5 EMA. After that, you need to buy on the high of this, and the low of the same candle will be your stop loss. Here in this case, the high of this is 3978 and the low of this is 3960, which means we are talking about 18 points stop loss, so approximately 20 points. So 3980, 3400. Okay, so which means we have actually achieved, theoretically we have achieved our okay, so 18 plus 18 is 36. So 4016 was our 1:2. So we have achieved even 1:2 here. So high of this is where you buy, low of this is the stop loss, and 1:1, 1:2. So that's all that you need to do. Okay, all right. So then you don't take a short trade here, because I told you that we are not looking at short trade when the super trend is up. And how do you know super trend is up? You will have a green signal here. Okay, so we have now a interesting setup here. What will you do in this? So again, understand that yeah, you can technically, theoretically, based on the strategy that I'm just explaining, you can buy on the high of this. But since this is a very long setup, so this is where I actually add my ATR, but for the moment we will not include it. So you can avoid this just because it's a long candle. Hope that is understood by you. Okay, now let's come to this particular candle, and we are at 19, which is 7 o'clock in the evening. All right, all right, all right, all right. 7 o'clock in the evening, and close is 4011. I don't know what is the value of this year here. I'm assuming that it is 4010 and close is 4011. It's very close here, but nevertheless, let's look at it. 4018, which is about 18. So maybe a small loss or a profit, or you will, since the market closes here, you bought here, and I don't know how much. Okay, you buy at 4018, it goes up to 4036, and you will exit at the close of the market. All right, then you come to this particular part. There's no question of you entering here, because the high is not triggered. High is not triggered. This gets triggered, maybe a small loss. So you again, okay, we could have taken the today's trade also, but let me show you something, some other trades also, for you to understand what I am talking about. Okay, so look at this particular setup here. Okay, we get the super trend in this candle. Okay, high of this. As soon as this candle is closed, you will get to know that the new super trend is in your favor, and the close is also above the 5 EMA, and you buy on the high of this particular candle. And as you will see here, which is, you will exit at 1:1. 1:1 you can exit. Okay, 1:2, and the third lot you can you can keep trailing. You can keep trailing the stop loss. And a lot of people ask me, Shankar, what is R multiple? You keep talking about R multiple. I keep saying exit one lot at 1 hour, second at 2 hours, third at trailing, and all of that stuff. So if the stop loss is 1 and the target is 3, what is the R multiple? The question is to you. Before you go further, pause this and tell me what is the R multiple. If you have answered, okay, what is the R multiple? I want you to answer. Yeah, for both of them. The stop loss is 1 and the target is 2. What is the R multiple? If the stop loss is 1 and target is 3, what is the R multiple? Okay, so if you have answered 3 and 2, you are right. Because the formula for calculating the R multiple is target divided by stop loss. So in this case, the target was 2, stop loss was 1, which is your R multiple is 2. Okay, so here I have given two examples. The target is 0.5 and the stop loss is 1. R multiple is 0.5 divided by 1. R multiple is 0.5. Target is 6 and the stop loss is 4. R multiple is 1.5. Okay, so I think that's it for this particular session. I will have more coming your way. My friends, I want a promise from you. If you have a close friend or a relative who's struggling and who needs a good strategy, please share. Pay it forward. The only thing that I am doing is whatever I have learned, I am implementing, I am sharing it with you. And I want to do that with a genuine intent of helping you. And I don't know how many of you have seen my YouTube channel comments. I'm getting tons of them. And that's actually inspiring me to go all out and help you make more and more profits in the most consistent way. Okay, I'll show you some of them. Keep sharing your thoughts. Thank you, sir. Wonderful strategy. Vishal, thank you for keep watching my Sindur. You need to reach out to me. And Vishal, we already looked at it. What is the stop loss? He was asking. Upload more videos. You wanted it in Hindi. I'll come back to you. He made a small loss in silver, crude oil, and made profits in silver. And that was Sindhu Regde. Okay, so guys, so there's a lot of action happening. I want you guys to participate in this. This is very, 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 very powerful, my guys. I want you guys to keep working on this and let me know. Let me know what your comments are. So Pawan Kumar is saying, hello sir, your strategies are awesome, and please let me know what moving average you used in the strategy, and please let me make a strategy. Also make a strategy for intraday. I'm working on that. Let me come back to you. And so likewise, I mean there are a lot of stuff happening, and I want to thank you personally, all of you who are watching my videos and benefiting from it. Okay, all right, so quick recap. Buy on the when a fresh candle closes above, buy on the high of the candle, low is the stop loss, and 1:1, 1:2, and trailing is the strategy. Hope you found this video useful. If you don't like it, just dislike it and comment below that, Shankar, can you come up with a better strategy and we will like it? I will be more than happy. If you liked it, like it and comment below, Shankar, more is what I'm looking at. Okay, all right, enough of my rant for this video. I'll see you in my next video with more powerful strategies, some more I want to make some more videos on psychology and my learnings, my failure stories, and what you can learn from it. Okay, all right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.